This is the last section of Unit D, where we're talking about triangle congruence, and we're going to look at what's called overlapping triangles. So I can prove triangles are congruent by using other congruent triangles. So these proofs get a little more complicated, a little more complex, they're a little bit longer. We'll try not to, get you too worried about it, but you might have to do a little extra thinking. So it says here, sometimes you can't prove the triangles are congruent directly. So in other words, you've got to show other things that are congruent through CPCTC. You might be able to do it by looking for overlapping triangles along with CPCTC, that congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent idea. Where once you show 3 things are congruent, then you can show the triangles are congruent, then all 6 things are congruent, and now things will open up and become a little bit easier. So here's a situation where here are some triangles that are sort of overlapping. This angle C is being shared. So if you take these 2 triangles and pull them apart and redraw them like we did here, you'll see that we have two angles that are congruent because they're the same angle basically. So sometimes that helps things. So we'll take a look at some examples. We'll do a couple of proofs with that concept.